Pasok sa outside for Otong Gabriel, taking the lead position from CJ Menini. So,
Nakuha na, brother. Nakuha na.
ayan, nakuha na si Otong Gabriel. Otong Gabriel. Alam mo ba kung ilang laps na tayo? Sino yung may stamina sa mga riders natin? So as you can see, Vincent Rivera is closing the gap from Terence Napan. Makikita natin. No? Ilang laps na tayo ngayon? Kailangan natin ang signal from the radio. Scores Rivera. Wow, Terence Napan has a good lead. He's now leading the group. Napakadaming tao. I want to give a shout out to all the fans who came out. Terence Napan. So our top riders is now. Terence Napan. Magpakareo ni Mitch. Ayun. Hoy! Bagsak si Terence! 30 minutes lang.
Yay!
Hoy! Nakuha si Bago!
Okay, Clark side by side with Terence. Okay, Four Sister with Terence Napan. Yamaha, followed by Terence Napan.
Prepare.
McLean and Roy Fernandez having a normal time. Mag-effort talaga.
Under Vincent Rivera. And let's see if some lap pass from Napan and Vincent Rivera. Ito na ang labanan! All day long, Terence Napan was leading, but the winner is the Hunter, Vincent Rivera. Followed closely by Otong Gabriel. Let's see what's Otong Gabriel. Aray ko! Terence Napan made a mistake, but still he recovered. Otong Gabriel! What happened? Otong Gabriel, another good job. So let's see ano gagawin ni Otong Gabriel. Terence Napan was way back. Rivals in the 85cc class. Was that nice? Back right, brother. step up at some way, some point in this race para lang makahabol kayo na apat.